That's the sound of Jupiter. Not wind, not storms. That's electromagnetic radiation converted into audio by NASA spacecraft. And it sounds exactly like what it is, a nightmare. From Earth, Jupiter looks peaceful, a bright dot in the night sky. Calm, steady, beautiful. But those sounds, that's what Jupiter actually is. A monster, a cosmic wrecking ball that's been raging for 4.5 billion years, a radiation death trap that kills spacecraft in hours, a failed star that came terrifyingly close to igniting and turning our solar system into something completely unrecognizable. And the scariest part? It's still destroying everything around it, right now, as we speak. Let's start with what Jupiter actually is. You could fit 1,300 Earths inside it. Its mass is greater than every other planet in our solar system combined. Every planet, every moon, every asteroid. Jupiter outweighs all of it, twice. But here's what keeps me up at night. Jupiter almost became a star. If it had been just 80 times more massive during formation, nuclear fusion would have ignited in its core. We wouldn't have a solar system with one sun, we'd have two. And Earth? Earth probably wouldn't exist at all. Instead, we got something arguably worse, a gas giant with no solid surface, crushing atmospheric pressure, and a gravitational pull so strong it's been reshaping the solar system for billions of years. Jupiter isn't a planet, it's a cosmic accident that happened to stop just short of becoming a star.
Now let's talk about what's happening on Jupiter's surface. Except there is no surface. The atmosphere just gets thicker and thicker as you descend. The pressure keeps rising. Eventually, that pressure becomes so extreme that hydrogen, a gas, turns into liquid metal, liquid metallic hydrogen. That's not a metaphor, that's real. But before you even reach that depth, you'd be torn apart by the storms. The Great Red Spot. You've seen pictures of it, a swirling red oval that looks almost peaceful from space. It's not peaceful. It's a hurricane that's been raging for over 400 years, maybe longer. We don't know because humans haven't been around long enough to see it start. This single storm is larger than Earth. Wind speeds at its edges hit 400 kilometers per hour, and that's considered calm by Jupiter standards. Deeper in the atmosphere, jet streams scream across the planet at over 600 kilometers per hour, faster than the speed of sound on Earth. Walls of gas moving with enough force to rip anything apart. And these storms never stop, never weaken, never die. Jupiter has been in a constant state of chaos since before life existed on Earth. But storms aren't what make Jupiter truly deadly. It's the radiation. Jupiter has a magnetic field 20,000 times stronger than Earth's. If you could see it, it would stretch millions of kilometers into space. It's the largest structure in the solar system. And it traps radiation like a cosmic death trap. Charged particles from the solar wind get caught in Jupiter's magnetic field and accelerated to near light speed. These particles form radiation belts so intense that an unprotected human would die in minutes, not hours, minutes. NASA's Juno spacecraft had to carry a 200-kilogram titanium vault just to protect its electronics. And even with that, Juno can only make close passes for a few hours before the radiation threatens to destroy it. The Galileo probe, which dove into Jupiter's atmosphere in 2003, received a radiation dose equivalent to 25 million dental X-rays before it was crushed and vaporized. This isn't a planet you visit, it's a planet that kills you. But Jupiter doesn't just destroy spacecraft, it destroys entire worlds. During the early formation of the solar system, Jupiter didn't stay in one place. It migrated inward, wandering as close as Mars's current orbit before being pulled back by Saturn's gravity. And as it moved, it scattered everything in its path.
The asteroid belt? That's not debris from a destroyed planet. It's debris from planets that never got the chance to form because Jupiter tore through their building blocks. Mars should be much larger than it is, but Jupiter prevented it from growing. And Jupiter's destruction didn't stop billions of years ago. It's still ongoing. In 1994, we watched a comet called Shoemaker-Levy 9 get ripped apart by Jupiter's gravity. It broke into 21 fragments. Then, one by one, those fragments slammed into Jupiter at 60 kilometers per second. The impacts left scars larger than Earth. The energy released was equivalent to millions of nuclear bombs. If that comet had hit Earth instead, extinction, total extinction. Some scientists say Jupiter protects us by absorbing these impacts. Others point out that Jupiter's gravity also flings objects toward Earth, making impacts more likely. The truth? Jupiter doesn't care. It just destroys whatever gets too close.